Guys, did you just pull up to your favorite cars and coffee, reach over to pull the door handle to get out of your Foxbody Mustang, and oh my God, nothing. You're literally stuck in your Fox. What do? Do you crawl over the seat and let everyone laugh at you while you're crawling out on the passenger side? Or do you fix the problem? Okay, today I'm going to show you how to fix that problem. If you're having the problem with pulling the latch, the handle to open the door, and nothing happens, we're going to show you what's causing the problem and how to fix it.